By now, you've seen why most online businesses, like affiliate marketing and drop shipping, are huge time wasters. And we've talked about why Master Resale Rights is different, because it actually lets you build a business that can run on autopilot. But here's the big question. How do you actually set up a multiple resale rights business step by step, even if you don't have a lot of time? Well, that is exactly what I'm covering today. I'm going to break it down into 3 simple steps so you don't have to be glued to your laptop in order to earn passive income. Let's go. Choose the right multiple resale rights product. First things first, you need the right product. Not all multiple resale rights products are created equal, and you can waste your time working on the wrong one. Here's what you need to look for. Number 1, it must be in a profitable niche. Focus on evergreen niches that people always spend money on. Best ones: make money online, business growth, digital marketing. If people need it and it helps them solve a problem, that's a great one. Number 2, it should come with a sales system. The best multiple resale rights programs already include a high converting sales page, so you don't have to create one. An email follow-up sequence, so leads don't get lost. A simple setup process, so you can launch fast. Number 3, it must have a high perceived value. People should see it and think, wow, this is worth way more than I'm paying for. High quality video courses, ebooks, or online tools are great choices. The better the product, the easier it is to sell without feeling salesy. Once you have the right product, it's time for step 2. Set up an automated sales system. Now, this is where most people get stuck because they think they need to manually sell to every single person. Nope, your system should do the work for you. Here's what you need. First, a simple sales funnel. Your funnel collects leads and turns them into customers on autopilot. It includes a landing page where people enter their email, a sales page where they buy the Master Resale Rights product, an automated email sequence to follow up with leads. Second, email follow-ups equal more sales. Most people don't buy the first time they see an offer. That's why an email sequence is crucial. It keeps coming up in their emails to remind them. The best part, once it's set up, you don't have to do anything. It works 24/7. Third, automation. No more manual selling. Imagine waking up to sales in your inbox. That's what happens when your automations are running 24/7. You can earn while you sleep. No customer service, no chasing people, just a system that works for you. This is how you make money online without spending all your time online. Once your sales system is in place, it's time for the final step: driving traffic. Step 3, driving traffic without paying for ads. Now, you don't need a massive following to make Master Resale Rights work for you. You just need a steady flow of traffic, and here's how to get it for free. First, pick one social media platform. Don't try to be everywhere. Pick one platform that matches your style. TikTok and Reels, great if you like short, fast-paced videos. YouTube, perfect if you like longer, in-depth videos. Instagram, ideal if you like a mix of posts, reels, and stories. Second, create simple, value-packed content. Your goal? Attract people who need your product. Post 3 types of content. Educational, teach something valuable related to your product. Storytelling, share your journey. How did you get into Master Resale Rights? What are your wins? What were your struggles? Call to action, otherwise known as the CTA. This is where you direct your audience where to go if they'd like more information. You can go to your DMs, you can direct them to your website, just let them know how to take the next step. Third, stay consistent and let the system do the work for you. The more you post, the more traffic you get. The system handles the selling. You just focus on bringing the people in. Over time, your audience grows, your income grows, and you can work less. And that is how you create time freedom with Master Resale Rights. Look, I know what it feels like to feel like you have no time to start something new. But what's the alternative? Staying stuck in the same place year after year? Master Resale Rights gives you a business that works for you instead of you working for a business. No shipping, no customer service headaches, no relying on companies that can shut you down. Just 100% profit, automated sales, and a system that lets you live your life. If this sounds like something you'd like to start, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know that you would like to get started today. And if you missed the first 2 videos, go check them out. I break down why Master Resale Rights beats any other system out there, hands down. See you in my next video.